Okay, what's going on here? Is Mo's looking for a red dot? Oh, there it is. There it is. Can you guys get it? Whoa. Grass. What's Mo's do? Oh, there it is. I just saw it. Did you guys see it? Whoa. That floor's kind of slippery. Where's the dot? I see it. Mose, do you see it? All right, bye-bye. Are you done? Bye-bye. Love ya. Bye-bye.